May the one until failure. They have filed one IA for correction of the word. So
In which?
in uh, in WPC number 7, not not today, Lord. So it is not been listed yet. So
Order of this court?
yes.
With this bench is a very...
That's why approach the
no point mentioning, because this bench is to only for today, second half we are sitting. Whenever we sit, you can make a mention.
problem.
So lordship permits, and I took consent from my friend also. But my argument for the minister, whether they made a party.
No, to be very frank, this matter we have heard last on 1st of, just check the file. It's almost 3 months. Is it fair on the part of the court or on the part of the parties? It should have been before the, yes, we had heard substantially. That's a different, thereafter bench was not available.
Correct.
And if we don't mind hearing, but we have to start from again the petitioner side. At least, if not that length, some refreshing would be required. And we have to look for our notes. It's not there in the file, so it may be somewhere.
Oh. Yeah.
And we are sitting only for maybe second half, because this special DB, there's some other matters with... so we had to break. Otherwise,
your lordship has to hear the petitioner also.
we definitely,
Fresh.
Fresh.
So
If not for that length of time, at least
to give an aerial
yes,
view
yes,
of the case, what is about the
at
case.
least 1 hour, you'll have to cover everything.
Refreshing everything.
Yes. And we'll have to...
Note again.
No, we'll have to search for our notes. We had made notes, but it's not in the file.
Okay. Won't be possible. I'm being led by Mr. K. Jyoti. He is in exit group number 13.
Okay.
Today it will not be possible. Because we are under the impression that they will be...
No, that impression may not be a correct impression.
That is...
First of, we just checked the records. 1st of December was the last date when we substantially heard. Thereafter, 5th it had come. We are on a full bench. We fixed on 9th. And thereafter, we are not there.
Yes. In fact, it went to a different bench at one point.
No, we have seen. I've seen. And we cannot even say from when. When we cannot even say when we are sitting single.
Next.
Yes. Do I'd love to sit single.
Then lordship
and avoid a very clumsy bench.
In that scenario, lordship, then the matter may be adjourned today. Then we'll make a mention once.
See, you try for the appropriate bench. If it comes to us, no problem with that. But don't leave this uncertain, because this project is also very important, which you have remembered. And I think AG had also completed his arguments.
Yes, he had completed his argument.
And from private respondents, you are there.
Two private respondents, sir.
He is the firm.
Okay. Okay, and you are also...
I'm for the minister.
The course of the procedure started
okay.
and as a result of which the minister was treated as a party.
Okay.
The burden is on me. How I came to it, how the merits.
But I think the main burden is on the authorities. Authorities have already... No, that definitely you will have your say, but the defense is by the authorities. How it was given, the short span of time or something, 7 days, something had happened.
And regarding the agreement we have.
Yes.
And what was the agreement and what is the repetition now? We had a commercial agreement. Then there was an arbitration clause, and they had already got the benefit out of the contract by taking 11 crores and sharing of the profit.
No, something was said that arbitration clause will take its own course.
That we are
not within the purview of this.
That we have already stated.
I think that was stated.
But may I have one indulgence? My learned colleagues are not here. Any day, maybe on Tuesday or Thursday.
No, we cannot fix it
because singly
we are not single. Sitting single. That is very uncertain, and I think it's going to continue for some time. Trend is not very healthy.
My lord, I can well understand that. In fact, as the habit goes, all bad habit goes with me, I was sleeping. Now, my last colleague said, please wake up. You have to come in our room now.
He is very fond of eating fish and rice.
Sleeping in the afternoon.
Sleeping.
Certain habits I couldn't give up.
Does he reach the bed from the table after having it?
Only thing,
He might get asleep on the way.
in fact, I did that. After the meal, I need a
No, in
sleep.
fact, one of my friends, I can just share, he is from Guwahati, but he's permanently staying in Delhi. He comes once in a while. So he said to me, what is there in the rice of Assam? I don't even reach my bed.
Basically,
Somehow I reached my bed after the lunch.
the body system is such that in the morning hours, with God's grace, my brain remains fresh. But during 12:30 to 2 o'clock, nothing goes into my head.
Now what to do then? When we cannot fix a date. You can try before the appropriate bench. If it happens, it's good. Otherwise, you'd have to wait for this bench, and it will be uncertain.
That is, in that,
The DB will, I think, continue for another 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Right. It would, yes, right. Okay. So, may I have one?
But will it be proper to keep a matter like this hanging?
Lordship, I pray that it may be adjourned for today, for a week. In a week time, we'll able to get to know. Otherwise, we'll make a mention and get
Okay,
it.
we
listed
will make an indication then.
that way.
Okay.
That- Mm.
This court has been informed that this matter was heard substantially by this bench, and accordingly, when the matter was listed on 19/12/2023 before a coordinate bench, comma, an observation was made to list this matter before this court, and accordingly, it has been listed today. Full stop. Para. Perusal of the order sheet would reveal that though substantial hearing was done, comma, the last date of hearing was 1/12/2023, and in the meantime, comma, due to non-availability of this bench, comma, the matter could not be taken up for further consideration. Full stop. Para. This court is also of the view that it may not be fair on the part of the parties to have a matter pending only because of non-availability of a bench. Full stop. Even it may also be mentioned that this court is a part of an ongoing division bench, and only because of some eventuality, comma, this bench is able to sit today. Full stop. Under those circumstances, Paragoria, it is observed a prayer for adjournment. No, so para. Further, comma, as the matter needs to be heard from the start, as the matter needs to be refreshed, wherein the petitioner is required to advance their arguments, comma, a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, who is Senior Counsel for such for some accommodation. Full stop. Sri Mr. Das for
The private response.
6 and Mr.
Six.
Pathak for
Five.
Sri D. Das, learned senior counsel for respondent number 5, and Sri K.P.
Six,
Pathak.
five, 8 for 6.
Sri K.P. Pathak, learned senior counsel for respondent number 5, and Sri D. Das, learned senior counsel for the respondent number 6, are also present. Full stop. Para. Under those circumstances, comma, while adjournment is granted, comma, it is made clear that if the matter is listed before the appropriate bench, comma, there may not be any kind of, there should not be any kind of there should not be a feeling that that the matter is to be required to be placed before this bench. Full stop. However, comma, if the roster so permits, comma, the matter can be heard by this bench when it is listed next. Full stop. Para. List after
Six.
after a week. List after a week. No, we have already said.
Deeply obliged.
Of the
Item 2 to 6, they are similar review petitions. And lordship has issued notice on other similar review petitions.
Okay, those were yes.
Due to the punch, we could not point out that they were a little bit separate. Paragraph number 2, for all the writ petitions, it applies.
Okay, same petition.
The same order, but different writ petitions.
Okay.
They were all similarly drafted.
Review order is the same 2112?
Yes.
In WPC to belekh hobo eta particular WPC. Paragraph 5 of the judgment had processed the presumption or possessing TAT
They had qualified the date after the advertisement was published.
The order will be the same,
Exactly the
exactly
same order.
similar.
Para 2 remains, even the term para 2 remains the same.
Para 2, no, para 5.
Para 5. Here it is para 5. Yes. Para. All over.
No, in para 2 of the petition. You are,
Petition.
Okay,
They
okay.
all state that we have done it after the
4 weeks. Listen. Service report. Tag with, we'll say 137 of. It is about a belay of petition number 2. Side of any competition আছে common judgment and order to ঠিক হ'ব repetition number বিলাক বেলেগ হ'ব চাই ল'বা আৰু বাকিখিনি সব ঠিক হৈ যাব খালি tag along with এইটো repetition এজনটোত মাৰিবা okay you take steps
5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6.
yes
Item 2, 3, 4, 5.
steps কেনেকৈ গৈছিল এইটো to this yes
Obliged.